Today we'll be making Mapo Tofu. Take some dried up, wrinkly little mushrooms and bathe them in 2.5 cups water. Add 3 tablespoons glistening ruby red chili oil to the pan. 1 cup mushed up chickpeas. Remember those old mushrooms from earlier? We'll get those in there. Stinky garlic and ginger. Don't forget to add the 2.5 cups mushroom bathwater, ground up Szechuan Peppercorns, and a little sugar, as if it needs it. A thick brown mixture you accidentally left in the refrigerator that consists of dark soy sauce, even darker mushroom flavored soy sauce, vinegar, and potato starch. Let it bubble away for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low heat and admire its rich, velvety texture and deep, delicious brown color. Add 1 pound wet, crumbly, medium-firm tofu. Oh, or maybe you were expecting extra firm. Now find your favorite bowl, because we've waited long enough and it's time to plate. Spoon it in slowly. Don't just slop it in out of the pan, you little piggy. I want to enjoy this. Garnish with some scallions and we're ready to eat. Until next time.